Hi, I'm Jana, a single mom with a little warrior named Alonzo. He was diagnosed with cerebral palsy last 2022. I'm here to share my daily life with you as I take this journey together with my son. I hope I can be an inspiration to you.
Hey guys, so hindi pa ako bihes but we're gonna check the update on Alonzo's setup. Guys, check natin. Ay, sorry. Ay. Guys, so this is the pool area. And then, ayan. Si Mommy KM, ayan, gawa-gawa sila ng balloons. Ayan, sa magic show, popcorn. Ay, hello po! So guys, we're gonna start here first at 10. Ayan, hindi pa siya nakataas. Nakaset up na yung balloons. Ayan, we're getting there. Ayan, padating na yung tables and chairs. Nandito na yung ice cream cart. So this is the before. And this is after. Guys, ang sarap!
Okay, Gana, daling ko lang po ng Gana.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Just keep on fighting, my warrior. Woo!
Guys, subong muna kayo, medyo matagal. Anyway, happy birthday to Alonzo. Iba na said niya, no? 4 years is really a miracle, no? And again, it's because it takes a family and a barangay basically to help Alonzo move forward. No? So again, happy birthday, Alonzo. Love you.
Alright, sir. Thank you very much. Oy, grabe! Hello. So yeah, so as the titos and titas of Alonzo, honestly for us naman it's hands down to Jana. Jana stays up all night taking care of Zoe, works so hard for him. The least we can do, the very minimum, is to be there for her. But we do much more than that naman. So we do what she asks, we do what he needs. But honestly it's all for him, all for Jana then. So for us naman, to support, be there for them. And we ask them, for everyone here then to just be there for Zoe and for Jana. Yun lang. Yes.
Wow. Clap your hands for Tito! Yes. Ninong, come here, Ninong. Ayan, another bunny clown! Yes.
Actually, I'm still surprised Jana chose me. I'm just always amazed by you. You're incredible, and so is he. Hope to see you guys grow up even more. I'm here then, even if I don't see you often. Love you both.
I hear you every night.
Happy birthday, Alonzo.
Thank you very much, Ninong. Alright.
Hi, big boy. Hindi ka na small boy. Big boy ka na. So, happy birthday. And I'm sure, tulad namin lahat dito, wish namin na marami pa kaming birthday yung Zoe na mapupunta. And, siguro everyone would agree na Zoe is God's living proof na may miracles na.
Thank you very much. Mami Jana, what is your message para kay Alonzo po?
For him just to stay strong. He did it 4 years. The doctor suggests 2 and now we're hitting 4. He's a strong little boy. And I have everybody here in this place right now who loves him and is there to support him no matter what. So, thank you guys for coming kasi lahat ng inimbita ko tonight or today are the ones who really supported Alonzo and never gave up on him. So, yeah, thank you guys.
Okay. Yay! So, first gift natin is from Ninong Kael. Go, Zo! Open! Uy. Ano siya? Ay, may box. Siya. Ay! Zo, look! Kuya Indy, look! It's blocks! It's blocks! Yeah! Wow! Okay, that's so nice. Thank you, Ninong Kael. Okay, next is from Toto and Mamu. Okay, let's open it. Yeah. Ay, Zoe, you will like this. Gigibain mo. Kakainin niya ulit. Oh, wow. Zoe, look. It's a tower again. Okay, Yaya, put the ball. Oh, there. Nalulula siya. Yan. Oh, go. Hindi siya pantay.
Wait.
Okay, go. So, before I end this vlog, I would like to thank, of course, Palacio de Coral for providing a very, very nice place for Alonzo's birthday party. And then the others po, I would put them after this video. I would be putting everybody who helped. Next is I would like to also thank Mommy KM. Siya yung president ng CP dito sa Antipolo, and sobrang thank you po talaga sa lahat. And then kay Tonette and kay Charles, thank you also for providing the mobile bar and the croissants. Grabe, ang sarap, guys. But kaka-start lang kasi ng business nila, so I am not sure if their FB or socials are up already, but kaya yun yung name na nilagay ko kasi I'm not sure yet. But if while editing this video, siguro tatanungin ko sila so that I could link them. Pero guys, ang sarap ng drinks nila, as in ang sarap ng drinks nila, and yung croissant, sobrang natuwa talaga ako. And then of course, Cocina Berenguer for providing the food. And I'm so sorry, Mom, I think wala akong na-videohan na food. Kasi parang pag sabi eating time, wala na. As in, simot ang Cocina Berenguer food. And everybody loved it. Walang natira. Sabi ko pa naman magte-takeout ako. And then also yung ice cream and popcorn. Thank you. At saka sa mga nag-host, si Kuya Ricky, yung nag-bubble show. Sa sound system, I forgot his name. I'm so sorry, Kuya. But sobrang bait nilang lahat. As in, bumuhos yung ulan, but game pa rin kaming lahat. Yeah, and of course, thank you to my family for being there, and my loved ones, my friends. Thank you talaga sa support nyo, and I am just so happy. I cried. So, sa mga ibang photos dyan, pulang-pula na yung mukha ko, wala na akong paki kasi umiyak na ako. So I am just really happy. And what I said nga sa video ko, 4 years is a miracle. 4 years is a miracle. And Zoe is a living proof that anything can happen as long as you pray, you work hard, and you know, just do what you need to do. And this boy behind me is just a miracle. So anyway, thank you talaga sa lahat nag-support, sa lahat nag-sponsor to make this birthday party so special. So yun, guys, happy birthday to my son, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kahit maikli lang and onti lang yung videos, but basically that's what happened. And yeah, see you guys on our next vlog.